concerns are growing about the potential spread. The U.S. has introduced a travel ban targeting the region, and those restrictions prompted a plane that was headed to Detroit to be diverted to Montreal. That flight was refused entry to the U.S. because it was carrying a Congolese passenger. Our Mike Armstrong reports on the scramble to contain the spread.
A mistake was made, U.S. officials say, in Paris by Air France. A passenger from the Democratic Republic of the Congo shouldn't have been allowed on a flight to Detroit due to new travel restrictions. The error was found mid-flight. The captain told passengers they were being diverted to Montreal. He didn't explain why.
Suddenly all the flight attendants had face masks on, so that was also very concerning.
Canadian officials say the passenger disembarked in Montreal and was assessed by a quarantine officer. The person had no symptoms and flew back to Paris. The death toll continues to rise in the DRC. Health workers in the eastern part of the country Thursday removed a victim from an isolation tent. The World Health Organization is moving in more medical supplies, and there are measures on the ground to prevent spread. There is also some mistrust. As for protests over the burial of the victim, according to reports, the family denied Ebola was the cause of death, and demanded custody of the body. The official numbers are being called the tip of the iceberg by vaccine experts in Geneva. New York numbers are likely much bigger, according to the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations. The current strain of Ebola isn't as life-threatening as the strain that hit in 2014, but it doesn't have treatments or a vaccine that target it specifically.
This is not the variant that has been most prevalent up until now. Now, we are now in a very difficult position.
The group's goal is to develop and test the vaccine within 3 months, but that will be a challenge. Mike Armstrong, Global News, Montreal.
Alberta's premier is scheduled to make a televised address later tonight, and Danielle Smith is widely expected to clarify the province's plans for an independence referendum. The address will cap off a chaotic couple of days for Alberta's government that saw surprise resignations of high-ranking cabinet ministers and the accidental release of the results of a committee vote that hadn't happened yet. And New York's West reports on the political roller coaster and the consequences for Alberta's separatist campaign. Jason Jones.
Jason Nixon taking the finance minister portfolio as the Alberta Premier shuffles her